Polar really only answers whether somebody can do something to something. Well, let's see. That says, is Bob allowed to see the website logo? Yep, that's it. This little bit of Python or whatever, it's same in other languages, asks if it's okay to let user Bob do action read on logo.png. Okay, that's sure simple. Where's the OSO object come from? You just make a new OSO object and then load your Polar policy into it. I'll show you later. For now, let's do Polar rules. Polar rules look like this. This is the head, and this is the body. So let's let Bob see the logo. Let's do that on my laptop. Allow with 3 arguments is the rule the OSO engine tries to prove. So the Polar will look like, okay, but what goes on the right? Bob's just allowed, not Bob's allowed if something. That's the body. You're right, we don't need a body for this rule. Polar lets us omit it. Do I have to write one of these for every user and root? That's awkward. No, of course not. First, we want to say this rule holds for anybody. Anybody, anything, any action. Polar's syntax for this is just an underscore. But we probably want to make sure we got a user. Wait. Where's that user class come from? Hey, good question. We registered it with the OSO object when we made it. So now we can use the class in Polar. Hey, that's kind of awesome. So let's say we want to serve everything under public to anyone. Okay, let's start by just a little refactor. Hey, you've got a typo. Isn't that a double equal? Not in Polar. Remember, Polar's declarative. That's the unify operator. For now, though, you can just think of it as quality. Okay, so we have variables. That's pretty normal. So we're expecting a string, and if we import the Python stir class into OSO, then we can use its methods. Okay, I kind of see how to make a rule. Not sure how I combine them to make real authorization. Yeah, there's lots more you can do in the body of a rule. Let's come back to that. For now, let's add a few more rules. Just checking if the URI starts with public is brittle. So let's make is public its own predicate. Hey, you said this was declarative. It is. We're just defining what makes allow true. Public things are allowed. So what makes something public is public tells us. But a realistic example has more than just the site logo. What about only letting people who are in an organization see that organization's stuff? Okay, let's add a rule about that. But what if URI isn't an organization? Oops. Wait, you can make more than one rule for one of these functions? Not a function, a predicate. See, these are just different rules. If any of them's true, then allow's true. Yeah. Hey, it's noon. Want to grab lunch? Sure, if we go to the Chinese place. They're quick. Hey, wait. You didn't just say yes or no. You qualified it. Yes, you'd go eat if we went to the Chinese place. Ooh, good observation. Let's talk about the mysteries of unification over lunch. I'm beginning to think polar rules.